Hey everyone, so today I attempted SBI Clerk Mains. I attempted half of the mock yesterday and then I paused it, and today I attempted the remaining reasoning section. So let's see. So I got 69 marks out of 200. Not very satisfying, but fine. It was my first time, so I think it's fine. As I did not attempt general awareness questions, I only attempted some questions like some books and authors and some static questions. So I total attempted 9 questions in general awareness, and then in English language I did a blunder in English today because I attempted 39 and only 22 was correct and got 117.75 marks. These are very very bad marks for from my side, but I'll see what I have done. Then in quantitative aptitude I attempted 18 and 14 were correct. Questions of data sufficiency and number series were wrong. So in reasoning section was satisfying as I attempted 30 and 28 was correct. In reasoning also my data sufficiency questions were wrong. So I got 33 in reasoning, and this is the time and percentile. So I will show you the wrong questions now. So as you can see, I did a blunder in English like para completion, RC, everything I made very wrong. And as you can see, I attempted two wrong questions of in data sufficiency, in maths, and quantity comparison and number series. So here we are. As you can see in English, where is English? You can see I have made a lot of mistakes like in RC. I made such big mistakes in reading comprehension today. I will try to improve this. So you I am hoping for the best as this was the first time. So that's all. These are the marks, and these are from my side are fine because it was first time, so I'm satisfied a bit. Let's see. So thank you.